Hey, second grade, today is technically April Fool's Day. I'm putting together our next lesson for Super Kids today. So for today's lesson, it's actually the lesson for April 2nd. We are on page 60 in our word workbook. So you'll need your word workbook, your reader, your magazine, the worksheet, and a pencil. So if you want to make sure you've got all of those things, do that. All right, and I will get us set up here. We're going to take a look right away at our word workbook. All righty, so remember, you can always pause the video and come back to finish things and finish that and then start it up again, okay? So our directions say choose the correct spelling words to complete the sentences. Stake, stain, grate, table, explain, fable, stay, plane, break, yesterday. Okay, I think you probably know what all of those words are except for maybe this one. I'm pointing at it right here with my cursor, fable. So a fable is like a story with a meaning, okay? So let's take a look here. Number one, the kids got Oswald's party invitation blank. Cass had to blank why she couldn't go. Well, if we look at the first one and we think about it, I think the word yesterday is what would fit best there. So then you're going to write yesterday on the line, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. All right. You see I did that there? All right. Okay, and then it says Cass had to blank why she couldn't go. Well, if we think about the story, we go through that. Cass had to explain why she couldn't go. Then we write E-X-P-L-A-I-N. Okay, she had to explain why she couldn't go. Let's go ahead and do number two because this is the one that's going to maybe be a little tricky. All right, Alf read a blank about an ant and a grasshopper. So the word that would fit there is fable. F-A-B-L-E. Okay. And then the second part, he thought the story had a blank lesson in it. So then we look at our words. A stake lesson, no. A stain lesson, a great lesson. I think that one works very well. Had a great, G-R-E-A-T. Had a great lesson in it. Okay. All right. So then 3, 4, and 5 are on your own. Make sure you finish those up. And then let's take a look at our story for today. It's going to take me just a moment here. I hope you guys are doing well. I enjoyed seeing you in our science lesson the other day. Getting ready to talk about fossils here real soon too. So let's see. Oh, here we go. Go, go, go. That's our story for today, page 110.
Go, go, go! Smack! Cass hit the ball. She dropped the bat and began to run. Halfway around the bases, she slowed down. But her teammates yelled, "Go! Go! Go!" So Cass kept going and flew across home plate. "Home run!" yelled the Super Kids. "Yay, Cass!" "Good going," said Doc, as Cass sat on the bench. Cass grinned. "I love baseball," she said. "I know," said Doc. "It's really too bad you aren't going to Oswald's party."
Uh-oh.
"What do you mean?" asked Cass. "Oswald's dad is taking us all to a Roosters game," said Doc. "What?" gasped Cass. The Roosters were the local baseball team. Their games were terrific. Cass loved the Roosters. She was a rooster booster. But I thought second grade girls didn't go to boys' parties, she said weakly. They go if the whole class is invited, said Doc. Oswald mailed invitations to everybody. I bet they come today.
Yikes. And then you can see the invitation down here. It says, for Cass. Hey, Rooster Booster, please come to my birthday party. Meet at my house Saturday at 2 o'clock. Dad will drive us to Rooster's Field. Bring your mitt. You might catch a fly ball. Oswald. Wow, what a fun birthday party that sounds like. And in fact, the whole class was invited. Now remember, Anna isn't part of their class, so she may not understand all of this. Well, we'll find out tomorrow what happens with our friends, the Super Kids. All right, so do you have your magazine ready? Let's see what we can find with that today. So we are reading pages 34 and 35. We're reading Ouch. So our Ouch stories for today are 34, 35, and 36. Okay, and then I bet you know what's next. If we look at our worksheet, we can figure out what to do with that. Okay, so let's take a look at our worksheet. And you, if you guessed correctly, or if you've looked ahead, you know what we're doing. Dear somebody. So our directions say, choose a letter from Ouch on pages 34 to 36 and write a letter giving your own advice to the writer. Write the letter writer's name in your letter and sign your name at the end. Okay, so we've had some confusion in the past about how to do this. So let's take a look back at our magazine. I'm going to pull mine up here. Okay. And I'm going to go back here. So let's look at the first one. It says, Dear Ouch, when I'm with new people, I feel shy. I don't know what to say. How can I get over feeling shy? Miss Mouse. If being with new people is hard, try making a game of it. Tell yourself you will find out 5 new things about one person. Ask questions. What does she like to do after school? What are her favorite books or movies? Does she have a pet? You get the idea. If you focus on other people, you won't have time to feel shy. So now, if we go back, if this was the person I was writing to, I would write, Dear Miss Mouse on the line. And then I'm going to use a couple of sentences to say what I think they should do. And then, of course, at the bottom, I sign my name. Okay? All right? Does that make sense? Well, take your time, get to work, and I will see you guys later. All right? Have a great day. Bye.